Hello and welcome, this is Walid. This is the part 2 of the Figma to WordPress series. In first video we have designed the home page and we designed other things. Today we will design the about us page using Elementor. If you have not seen the first part, then you can pause the video and check the first part. Then come back here again. Alright, without further delay, let's get started. For this project we are using Hostinger WordPress hosting. If you are looking for a reliable hosting in affordable price, then I would like to suggest you Hostinger WordPress hosting. I have an additional discount for you. Check in my description. Just click the link and grab the deal today. As you can see, I am now in my computer screen. Now we will design the about us page. Already I showed how to design the home page. So let's back to the home page and see, this is our home page. Let's go to the about us page. Now just simply click on edit with the Elementor. Then this editable page will open. So it's the same process. First will be flexbox. Then we need to add the container. At the top is our mission. So let's copy this text and paste here. I copy and paste here because already I have added the CSS and everything. This text is fully responsive. That's why for quick I just copy and paste here. For the text, let's copy this text, not this one. I think we need to copy, this one. Copy and paste here. Let's copy this page. Let's copy this text and paste here for span. Then we need to add here to experience span. Now perfect. Okay, one more thing, because this text should be just in first column, so let's within 50%. I think this one. Okay, now the text is 50%, not 50% actually. 60, 60% looks good. Now we need to add the background color. The background color is, let's see, this one. Perfect. Now we have to add a background image. The background image should be our logo, this one. Okay, this one. Perfect. The image position center, actually not center, we have to add right center. Then repeat, no repeat, display, contain. Now perfect. Now looks good. We just need to add the padding in top by clicking here. Click on advanced, then we can add a padding. Top 5%, bottom 6%, like 5% is okay. Let's see, we have to add a little more in top, so 8% is okay. Now let's see on tablet. In tablet we have to add it with, I think, 80%. It looks good. Let's reduce the content size. 25. 22 is 20 is okay. Let's see what happened on phone. In phone it's fully responsive. We just need to update the background image. Custom. Now perfect. Now perfect. So our banner section is done. Now let's add the image after the banner section. Just simply click on here, This is about a space. Let's add the main image. We can add an image. Okay, image resolution will be full width. Then simply upload the image, this one. I already added the image. Yeah, this one. Copy the text and paste as a alter text. Select. So this is the image. It looks not good. We need to add full width as image. As you can see, the image will be in full width. We just need to content width should be full width. Then we need to remove the padding of this container. Yeah, now looks perfect. Let's check on tablet. It looks good. In phone it looks good. Okay, now our vision. We need to add the container again. Then we need to add container again, because I'm adding two container, because first container we will add this content. In second container we will add the image and the video option, and duplicate. Perfect. Here copy this text and paste here. Again, copy this text and paste here. Okay, I think we have to add 60% will be better. Yeah, 60% is better. Now copy the text and paste here, and copy the text and paste here. Copy the custom CSS, then delete others. So this text will be bold, and just add to remove the span tag. Okay, the future. After that, here should be the custom text, and close tag. Then we need to add bold content here. Span, and at the bottom in new. Then just close the span tag. Perfect. So we just need to add some spacing or padding at the top of this section. So I think 3, not 3 actually, 5, yeah, 6 is good. Now we have to add the images and videos option. So let's add another container. The container will be 50%. Let's duplicate it, and this container direction will be right. Left side should be an image. Image should be this one. Select. There have a spacing at this content actually image area, so we need to remove the spacing. Just simply click on padding here, so image is removed. Now it's same process, just simply click here and padding will be 0. This will be the image is 0 actually. Now we can add a background image. Okay, this one, just select Perfect. Image position, center, image repeat, no repeat, display size, cover. Perfect. Now just simply need to add the icons. Perfect. Here should be play icons. Okay, by clicking here, this icon will be in middle, so we have to add space between, not this one. Perfect. So let's design the icons. Icons primary color is white and secondary color is, I think, and this one. I think this looks good now. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. And this icon will be clickable. That's why we can add a hash, and we can add a link, or we can add a videos links, YouTube links, whatever you want. See, if this icons is clickable. Okay, so this section is done. Now we have to design the another section like this one, our story. Okay, let's see the, sorry, not this one, it's this one. Let's check the responsiveness. We just need to add a spacing. We can add a spacing, or we can add a padding, like top should be 40, not 40, 80 will be good, and bottom 80. And we can add the icon size, like 30 is for icon size will be better in mobile. In desktop it looks good. We can add the icon size 40. Yeah, it looks good now. Perfect. We need to add a border, and we need to add a spacing here. So if by clicking here, then we just need to add the padding. Just 5 is okay. Then just simply add a border, solid, the border, sorry, we just need to add a border in bottom. Clicking here and bottom here, this is the border color. Also we can add the background as this section. So the background will be this one, background 2. Perfect. Now we can add another section, this section. First we need to add a heading. So let's add container. We need to add first this container, another container, and 3 and 4. Okay, so we need to add total 4 coordinator. Let's add another container, duplicate, and duplicate. Perfect. So in first container should be a heading. Paste here. Let's add that, copy the text and paste here. Sorry, here should be our story. Perfect. Now left side as a background image and content. By clicking here, container, then duplicate. Left side should be 70%, right side 30%. I think 30% will be good. Let's see. Yeah, 30% will be looks good. By clicking here, that direction will be right this way. Sorry. Yeah, now perfect. Just add to the text here. So copy and paste here. Sorry. Let's add the background. So background will be this one. Perfect. Alter text, select. Background position is center, repeat, no repeat, then display size, cover. This image size will be smaller actually, so I think 28. Okay, no problem. By clicking here we can change the typography. 20 is okay. Then here actually added a Archivo font, so I just change the Archivo font, copy this text and paste here. The text color, we can change the text color by clicking here. Let's add a padding of this section. Padding will be, I think, 20, 30. Let's see. So at the top, not 30 actually, let's add 20. Then top will be 50, bottom 50. Now perfect. Now we can add a background image as our logo. So let's remove the padding of this section. Okay, perfect. Now simply let's add the background image as our logo. This one, select. Perfect. Position will be right center, repeat, no repeat, display size, contain. Now perfect. See, this is the background image. Just look like this one, and here this one. One more thing, this section is the full width, so this section now up half width, so we can add the full width section by clicking here. The content would be full width. Now perfect. Now we have to remove the padding this section, and by clicking here we need to remove the padding from here too. Now looks good. Just need to add a padding in left side. Okay, let's add a padding in left side 5, not here actually. Structure, yeah, this container padding will be, sorry, we can add a container padding just here, 5. This container, it should be 5. Need to add the copy, yeah, this one means 50. I think we need to add 60. Let's add a, I think percentage will be better, so 5 is good. Top 5, right 5, yeah. Let's click here, so we need 5. We need to add little more spacing left and right. Left should be 6, right should be 8. Let's see. Yeah, now looks good. Perfect. Left side will be 5 is good, and right side is fine. Let's check on our tablet. In tablet size it looks good. When we come on phone, we have to add the phone. Okay, if I go to here, let's see on phone. Okay, the background logo is not visible in home, so we don't need to fill in background image. Let's see, now looks perfect. Just need to add a padding in top and bottom of this section. By clicking here, let's add a background color, this one. Then just add the padding at the top, 5. Then we can add a padding bottom, I think 2 is okay. So this section is done. Also I have designed the timeline section. If I go back here, see, the timeline section is done. Now we will design the our team section. In left side image and right side is text. Let's add container first, and let's add another 2 container. The first row should be the title and second row should be the text. Okay, so copy and paste. Let's add the text actually. Now in left side should be image, so add container. Left side 30 is okay, right side is 70. Let's add 70. The direction should be right. Okay, let's add an image here. Image will be full width. If we add full width image, then image quality will be very good. That's why I did. Let's add a text. So here should be title. Duplicate this title and paste here, and the title should be 20 pixel. Let's add a pixel, and yeah, 20 pixel is size. Now let's copy the text and paste here. Copy. Let's add a text editor here and paste the copy here. Okay, 16 pixel is perfect. You can change the color by here. Okay, so just I think we need to add in everything in center, all item. So by clicking here, just scroll down, align item should be center. That's it. Now just duplicate this section, duplicate, and change the text and images. Now let's copy the text and paste here, and copy this text and paste here. Okay, perfect. Now we need to add a padding, and also we need to add a background image, not image, background color. So let's add a background color by clicking here. This is the background color I already added, and we need to add a border at the top and bottom. 1 pixel is better. Yeah, this is the border color. Let's add a padding 6%, and bottom it will be 6%. Also in this section we can add 6%, not 5. 6 will be better. Yeah. Okay, now let's design this section. So this is our value. So we need to add a container. Then we will add 2 container first. Then let's add another container and duplicate it. So first container we will add the heading, this heading. After that we will add these 4 columns. Okay, let's copy and paste here. Copy. and paste here. Okay, now let's design this section. We need to add a slider here. I added the icons and this design, so it's not work, so we need to add the slider. So simply copy this section and paste it here. Okay, now paste it here. Sorry, copy, paste here. Okay, now we need to change the background image. Copy and paste here and paste here. Okay, actually we have 4 values, that's why I added 4 slide. So in our mobile it's showing only 4 slide, that's why I added the 4. Okay, now let's add a background image, this shape. So the background position will be center and repeat, no repeat, and displays cover. Okay, perfect. Now it looks good. Now we will design the same thing in others column. Let's do it. Now let's check the responsiveness in tablet. Here showing 2 options. It looks good on tablet, and phone it looks great. So everything is fine. Now we just need to add a pagination in progress bar at the top, and we don't need the navigation, that's why I turn it off. You can turn it on if you want. We don't need it, so let's remove this row. Okay, here not this container, it should be, I think this one, not this one actually. Okay, yeah, this one, just delete this one. Perfect. So everything is fine. Now we need to add a background color of this section. Also we need to add a paddings. You can add at the top 6 and bottom in 6, and background color already we added the background color, this one. So let's add a padding, add a border in bottom. I think, yeah, this is the border color, and in border just 1 pixel will be good. Let's add a 1 pixel at the bottom. Okay, perfect. We need to add a padding on heading, so at the bottom 3, I think it looks great. So yeah, 3 is good. Now let's design this section. So first section have a heading. Let's back to the editable page, flexbox, container, then container. We will add another container. In first container should be a heading, and second container should be content. So copy and paste here, and just copy the text and paste here. Okay, now perfect. In left side we need to add a content. Let's copy this text at the top, I think, yeah, this text. Copy, and we need to add 2 columns, so let's duplicate this one 50% and duplicate this one. The container direction should be right. Perfect. Now just simply paste it here. In right side we need to add an image. Image resolution is full. Then we just need to add this one. Select. and click here, and align item should be center. Let's copy the text and paste here. Okay, paste here. I am adding the custom text now. Okay, now perfect. Let's check the font size. Font size is 28, and I'm adding 28. Let's remove the padding. This one should be 30, and this one 70. Okay, it looks like this one. Actually, it looks not good. Let's reduce the font size. That will be looks good. 22. Now looks perfect. Tablet, let's add 100%, and this one should be 100%. Perfect. Structure, layout, and the direction should be reverse, and image alignment should be left. Okay, also in font, in this way. If I go back to the Figma design and see, it's look like same. Okay, now this section is done. We will design this section. This section we need to add a slider. This section also a slider. Anyway, let's do it. Okay, now click on flex box. Okay, one more thing, we have to add a padding top and padding bottom. I think, yeah, we have to add a padding top. Also we need to add a background color. This is a background color, and let's add a padding. Top should be 60. Perfect. Bottom, I think 3 is okay. Okay, now let's add the slider again. This one we need to add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 slide. So right now have 3. Let's add 7 slide. Okay, first let's add one image. Copy, we just need to add an image. The image resolution should be full. Okay, let's select the image. I have export the image. Image is this one, and anyway, let's copy and paste. Okay, now let's click here. I'm adding a border right, that's why I'm doing this one. All right, the color is this one. Yeah, okay, now let's copy and paste here and paste here. I'm doing the same thing in all slide. So I have 4 slide, I need to add 6 slide. So duplicate. Okay, done. All image import is done. Let's copy. Just click here. The slide will show on at least 5. Okay, now we just click the all image in center. all images in centered now. Now by clicking here we have to change the background color, so let's add the background color, and this section content would be full width. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now we'll design this section. Okay, let's click here. I'm adding other way, so just ignore it. Let's add a container, then we need to add a slider here. So let's search on a slider. Yeah, this one, carousel. Now we want to show in slide just one slide, so I just added slide display in one. Now click here, and here should be the container again. Then this container will be 25 and duplicate. This one should be 75 and container direction should be right. Now copy this text and paste here, copy this text and paste here, copy, paste, copy and paste here. Okay, now we just need to change the color, font color. Yeah, now looks good. Now we have to add a background color, background logo. So let's add a background logo. Yeah, this one. We need to change the background color. Let's change the background color. This one. We need to add a logo. So here is the logo. The logo position is center, repeat, no repeat, and display size is cover. So no need to add cover, it should be contain and position center right. Okay, now just need to remove the padding of this container. Now looks good. Let's add some padding of this section of this text. Select structure. Okay, actually in this whole section should be the background color. That's why we need to add this color in little bit darker. So all section color should be this one. Yeah, this section color should be light darker. Now looks good. Okay, now click here and duplicate. Then we can change the other slides. Just simply click on here, we can change the another slide. So let's add, and we have to change the other text. No problem, just click here, navigation. Okay, pagination, we don't need to add pagination. The navigation should be in left right. It's perfect. Now we have to add this section in, it's a call to action section. So we already added a call to action on home page. Okay, we have to add a front page in our home page. So go back to WordPress dashboard, simply click on reading, then click here, and here should be home page, should be home. Just update. Now reload the page. Perfect. Now it is with Elementor. We just copy and paste this section on About Us page because it's the same, so we don't need to create again this section. Copy and paste here. Perfect. Let's publish this page and let's see the About Us page now. Okay, so this is our About Us page. Everything is fine. This slider working fine, this section and everywhere working fine. I will show you the rest of the page design in my next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for next episode. Comment below if you have any questions or any further assistance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.